What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another What the Truck. Thank you guys for joining, and we are here with Blake, and this is probably my favorite OBS Bronco I've ever seen. Blake, dude, what the truck?
I appreciate that, Solomon. So this is a 1987 Ford Bronco.
No, it's not.
It is. It's a brick nose with a OBS front end swap. I even have pictures to prove it. So this was my grandfather's truck. He gave it to me as my first truck.
How old were you?
I was probably 8 or 9.
No
I remember going to buy it with him, and we made multiple trips to Colorado in this truck.
Where are you from?
I'm from Fort Worth, Texas.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyways, it's been in the family for a long time. He gave it to me as my first truck. I gave it to my little brother as his first truck, and then he gave it back to me. And so after I got it back, my plan was something like this. I had a vision, but I had no clue it was going to end up like this.
So what is this?
This is a 6.0 Powerstroke swap. It's a chassis swap.
So it's a full body swap.
Yeah, full body swap. And actually, there's probably one part of this truck that's original, and that's like one quarter panel. So
no kidding.
Yeah.
So how long of a process was it to turn it into what we see today?
It was 2 years. It was a 2-year build. So I found Joe Kasabuski on YouTube, and his company is J Customs Diesel Garage, and reached out to him on Instagram, and I said, hey, I've got this truck, I want to restore it, I want to do a diesel swap, what can you do? And the rest is history. So
dude, this is awesome. So let's just start from front to back.
Okay.
Just kind of tell us, what all did you do? Obviously you said that it was 87, so you put the 92
yes,
97.
yeah, sourced the fenders, sourced the whole front end, everything is OEM parts. And then after that, let's see.
Dude, what kind of suspension are you running?
We're running PMF suspension. That's going to be King shocks. But since this is on an 06 F250 chassis, most of their Alpha kit was pretty much plug and play.
Oh, that's
the
awesome.
track bars had to be custom made.
Yeah, because they're so much shorter.
Right.
Dude, this looks beautiful. You did a whole frame off, the whole frame's painted or powdered.
It's paint. Dude. It's a military grade paint.
Man. So was there any expenses spared?
No corners were cut, unfortunately.
Because this one is pretty much, I mean, it's a legacy family build, it sounds like.
Yes, yes.
Man.
So I wanted to do it right.
How does the inside of her look?
So we did a 6.4 dash swap. Got the amp research steps. I had to modify the door panels, obviously, to make the 6.4 dash fit.
Yeah. Oh, you even got these awesome from JC?
Yes, I did.
Heck yeah.
Yep.
Dude, this looks so good.
Thank you very much.
It really, like, it doesn't look too modern. That's what I like about this dash. Like, it really fits the truck.
Yeah, so everybody's asking me, why didn't you go with the newer, like 11 to 16 or whatever, 11 and up dash? And I was like, well, it looked a little too modern. Yeah. And if you look at that dash and compare it to the OBS dash, it's actually pretty similar. Somebody pointed it out this weekend.
Dude, your headliner. That is cool.
Thank you.
All suede. I love the PRP seats.
They're very comfortable.
And I'm assuming you probably drive the heck out of this, or plan to?
Actually, yeah, well, yes, but I've only had the truck probably for a week.
Really?
I had the truck shipped from Wisconsin, which is where Joe's based out of. Shipped it over to Washington to have full titanium exhaust done from the front back, and then I had it shipped to me.
Wait, you just said titanium exhaust. Now we got to pop the hood.
All right.
Dang. This truck just gets better and better and better, doesn't it? Brother, I'm sorry guys if the wind noise is a little bit too much. We got mics on, we got some things on it, but the wind is always too loud. Dude, this looks literally like a jewelry box. Wow. So what are we looking at?
So Rob at RK Titanium in Washington usually deals with BMWs, import cars. That's how I kind of found him, was through the import world. That's where I came from.
Okay.
And I begged him to do this. He doesn't do one-off jobs usually. Dude, and so
this is so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Even the motor itself, like you have a bunch of billet on it. You painted the block, it looks like.
Well, it's a fresh crate motor from Kill Devil Diesel.
Ah, dude. This is really cool. And then we're gonna start it up for you guys. This has the best sound, period. That titanium full exhaust Who do you say did it? RK?
RK titanium, and then it's got the KC Stage 2 Jetfire turbo, the 10 blade, which gives it that extra sound.
Let's crank her up for everybody.
Okay.
You guys are in for a treat. Dang. Dude, this is such a freaking awesome rig.
Thank you so much.
So where can people check you out, follow you?
All right, so my Instagram is Powerstroke Bronco, Powerstroke_Bronco. And you can check out Joe's page, j.customs.dieselgarage. And then you can check out RK Titanium and PMF suspension as well.
Blake, dude, thank you so much for showing it to us.
Thank you, Solomon.
This thing is super cool. And if you guys can like, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this, and catch you in the next one.